Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing Xcode and your system so Python runs predictably. Install Xcode command line tools and Homebrew, then confirm Python 3 path with which Python 3 so Xcode can point to it. Create a venv for the project to isolate dependencies and avoid permission issues. Once done, add a simple script with a proper shebang and test it from terminal using Python 3 script. This confirms the interpreter and environment are ready before you integrate into Xcode. You now create an Xcode project that calls Python. Start a new command line tool project and choose C or Swift as a lightweight wrapper language so Xcode builds run configurations. Add your Python files to the project and ensure they are not compiled. Instead, configure a run script build phase that calls the venv Python 3 interpreter directly. Make sure to set the working directory to your project folder and pass arguments. This lets Xcode launch Python scripts as part of build or run workflows reliably. You finish by testing and hardening the integration. Run the project in Xcode and watch the console for output and exit codes to verify behavior. If imports fail, set Python path or adjust sys. Path so modules are discoverable. For distribution, include or recreate the venv and package resource files. If something goes wrong, reproduce the run in terminal with the same Python 3 path, enable verbose logging, and inspect stack traces. This isolates Xcode-specific issues from pure Python.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.